आसानी से मिली चीज़ की कद्र कहाँ होती है। मैं पानी हूँ जनाब, मेरी भी कद्र कम और बर्बादी ज़्यादा होती है। The things which are easily available are not valued much, and same is the case with water. Our earth is covered with 71% of water, and we think there is abundant water. But my friend, only 0.3% is this fresh water which you can drink. You can say, why should I save water? I have enough water and I can fulfill my needs. But no, it's wrong. You are becoming selfish here, my friend. There are many easy techniques to save water, but I can bet you have never implemented it. So come with me, I have taken a 24-hour challenge. On this water day, are you ready to take this challenge too? In the morning, while brushing your teeth, you waste 5 liters of water. If you want to wet the paste on your brush, so take a handy bottle of sprayer and spray it over your brush and you're ready to go. Around 26 liters per day is wasted in one flush. We can install some system displacement device or adjust the ball. Limit the time of using shower, as if the limit crosses to 9.5 minutes, you waste 50 to 100 liters of water. Don't waste the water that is collected from the AC unit. Arid areas, we can save around 1 to 1.5 liters of water daily. So don't waste this water. Add your favorite detergent and you are ready to go to clean your clothes, small hankies and small garments. Washing fruits and vegetables before eating is necessary, but we can avoid this wastage by adopting the method. Take a large bowl or container, place all your fruits and vegetable in it and then clean it slowly. You will avoid wasting a large amount of water. Now you can give this water to your plants by reusing it again. Isn't it easy? Giving water to your terrace garden plants with pipe is so much fun, but you waste gallons of water. Instead, use a big 5-liter water can to water your plant. You will limit the water wastage. Also, you can use foliar plant spray which has two nozzle adjustments. One will give jet effect and other the sprinkling one. After finished using the pipe, if you roll it, some water is still there. You can use that water also, as each drop counts. We waste 56 to 170 liters of water washing clothes in machines. Large cycle clean water can be used in mopping. A leaking tap can lead to loss of 15 liters of water per day, so check for these leaking taps and repair the faucets regularly. Want to save water from the taps? Here I have purchased ABS dual model nozzle. It cost me around 245 rupees and it is easy to install. It saves 90% of your water. You can turn the nozzle on and you can switch between the two modes. It is perfect for kitchen. You can save a huge amount of water. Also, we can use rainwater harvesting at home. My appeal to everyone is to adopt this technique. This is a small model. The rainwater can be collected and can be used during the crisis in different household works. Also, you can water the plants. I harvest rainwater for my plants. Do you? There should be a sustainable use of water which meets your needs as well as future generation needs should also be met. So let's take a move and we can save this precious water from our homes itself. I've tried to save 95 to 100 liters of water today. You can also save it, my friend. So let's join hands together and as an individual save water, क्योंकि जल है तो कल है.